Good morning, students of class 7. In today's online class, we will take a look for lesson number 6, spreadsheet and introduction question answers. So let's start. First, we have tick the correct answer. A spreadsheet program that organizes data in rows and columns is called Excel. The intersection of row and column is known as cell. The number of rows in a single worksheet is 10,48,576 rows are there. Next we have the cell that has a dark border around it is called active cell. Selected group of cells is called range. Dash gives the cell reference using the combination of a column and a row heading name box. Shortcut key to save a workbook is Ctrl+S. Next we have true or false, and as you know, if the statement is false, we need to correct the statement. While selecting a row, the mouse pointer will change into the shape of arrow. True. You cannot cancel the last change that you have made to the worksheet. False. Correct statement will be you can cancel the last change that you have made to the worksheet. A workbook can contain only 5 worksheets. False. By default, here the term will come. By default, a workbook can contain 3 worksheets. Next is, you can easily insert new cells in a worksheet. True. A row number is on the left side of the grid is also called row heading. That is also true. Mouse pointer is displayed as the block of minus sign whenever it is located in the cell. False. Instead of minus, it will be plus sign. A mouse pointer is displayed as a block plus sign whenever it is located in a cell. Scroll bar is used to view different parts of the active worksheet. True. Next we have Phillips. Microsoft Excel is a powerful dash program. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program. Right? The data is organized in dash and dash in MS Excel. The data is organized in rows and columns in MS Excel. Next we have, you can select a cell in a worksheet by using the arrow key. By using the arrow keys or by using the arrow key on the keyboard. To revert the changes, you can cancel them using the redo feature. When a column is inserted, it gets inserted to the dash of the highlighted column. It inserted to the left of the highlighted column. The cell may contain 3 types of data, that is labels or text also you can write, values, or instead of values you can write numbers, and formulas. The file extension of an MS Excel file is .xlsx. Child, these characters are supposed to be in a small letters. Next question we have, define the following. First, formula bar. It is used to enter and edit formulas and perform calculations on your worksheet data. Second, cell. A cell is the basic unit of a worksheet in which you enter data. Third, cell reference. The unique address of cell is called cell reference. For example, C6 refers to the cell located at the intersection of column C and row 6. Worksheet of window, there you can write the workbook contains sheets called worksheets. By default, workbook contains 3 worksheets. Each worksheet has a name displayed on a sheet tab. Next question we have name box. So in the definition of name box you can write the cell reference of an active cell is displayed in the name box. Grid lines. The horizontal and vertical lines representing the rows and columns on the worksheet are called grid lines. Thank you.